Wow, this is the 莲花生大士. Many tourists come here every day. I think a few thousand tourists come here every day. Wow. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at Chinatown, one of the famous temples, the Foyasi or the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. So let's check out lots of tourists here. Today is a weekday, afternoon, 4 p.m. Wow, amazing architecture. Many tourists come here every day. I think a few thousand tourists come here every day. Wow. Wow, look at the roof. There are lots of lanterns. You can buy some things to offer to the monks here, like the package of the sugar and stuff, $50, and then flowers, rice, incense, and so much more. Now there's a kind of vending machine where you can select the items you want to offer to the temple. For example, flower 38, right? Then you check out. You can select by next cash or credit card. Wow, this is the 莲花生大士. For Guru Rinpoche, supposed to reduce the obstacles. Lots of donation box here. And some of the Buddhist stuff for sale. Some amulets here. Very nice. A few months back, I didn't see this. And obviously it's a Chinatown hawker center. There's a Naga King here as well, not a dragon. But this is really, the carving is very exquisite and beautiful. The person who made this is a genius. Now, even the leaf has the kind of like dragon, I mean the symbol on it, carving. I'm at the rooftop garden now. I just show guys the big, great, giant wheel. They call it the money wheel. Turning, basically there are chants, there are pictures inside this big giant wheel. And look at the size, it's about maybe 5 meters. In Tibet they have it, in China they have it as well. It's really amazing. It's just going like one round. I'm now at level 3, Buddhas of the world. In level 4, they don't allow the photo taking, so I'm right here. Our journey starts here. Wow. This is the Buddha's footprint. This is something worth looking, the sleeping Buddha. And right here is the Puxian Pusa. And some of the Dharma protectors. Here is the Buddha stupa that contains the precious relics of the Buddha. I see lots of Buddha here. I'm at level 3 now. There are more exhibitions. Wow, there's more. If you come here, you just feel peaceful and relaxed. But then the security is very strict about the closing time, so you need to leave exactly at 5 p.m. because you want to go home also. The Dijawan Pusa, guys, another one here, donated by the Taiwan people in 1967. Even the staircases are so nice, they're painted in red. So I'm leaving now, and this way back to Chinatown. There's a vegetarian restaurant here, from 7 to 5 p.m. That's on 4:30. And once you're outside, there are so many beautiful buildings with different colors: blue, red, white, brown, orange, green. Well, hope you guys enjoy this simple tour of the Buddha Ture Temple right here at Chinatown. Please subscribe for more videos like this and give a like. And by the way, there's a Chinatown complex there. There's a nice hawker center. I'm going to explore in a short while. So take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in my next video. And bye. By the way, there's a Chinatown Visitor Center. You guys can get a map and get a SIM card right here. $12, 100 gig. I'm curious what the old people doing here, doing some kind of chess.